everybody. So many people here. This is awesome. So this is the sort of like masterclass portion of the thing. Does anybody want to play with us first of all?
Hi, my name's Emily, and I am studying jazz at Morley College. And today I had the pleasure and honour of being able to be part of a very exciting workshop. Who are incredible jazz musicians, who were so generous, so smart, and so welcoming. And I thoroughly enjoyed being able to study a song very quickly and then bring it to the workshop and be part of their performance. I also found it incredibly interesting, learning different ways that I could go back to the piece and improve it by thinking about different scales, different modes that were applied or applicable within the tune that I hadn't considered before. I also enjoyed all of the rich information that was being delivered regarding rhythm and all of the Brazilian and South American rhythms that they incorporate in their music.